Mountain. See down. This was a good spot. Bengal. If Circle K can exist, why did 7-Eleven close down?
In Bali, Nepal, we have the 7-Eleven.
It was there earlier. It was there earlier. No, it closed down.
Circle K, Alphamart, Indomart.
So this is an active volcano, sir?
Yeah.
So it is active volcano.
Just imagine how hot it would have been here that time when it erupted.
Yeah. It will be really hot.
No, it was just spewed up.
Now this Indonesia island itself is fully a volcanic island. That's a good. This is a good spot here.
Also some with jeep trekking also in the morning too.
Jeep trekking.
Yes.
They go to the mountain.
Yeah.
Oh.
Trekking we start from I think 4 o'clock because before sunrise you must on the top. You will see the sunrise from the top.
Patur sari yeah. So it will be cold here a little bit, winters,
Cool.
you know? So not high, no? Altitude.
And also they just change to pass. Sometimes to green, sometimes clear.
Okay.
This goes back.
Well, that's it. We will be getting down at the point, or is it
Viewpoint.
viewpoint? Okay.
Couple of days it was on to Aircard in December.
Yeah.
It was very cold.
Yeah.
Extremely cold. I didn't imagine.
I went to Nandi Hills.
That was cold. Huh?
Down was a little warm. On top there was I burned in the early morning. Really cold.